As part of your preparation, your writing to Persuade, we're going to take part in a very small writing challenge, and you're able to do as many of these as you want to. There are 10 different challenges. They are about global issues. They're about you answering or responding to certain questions, but with an intent to persuade your audience. You'll put them together on a Spark page, but you're also going to then narrate them onto an Adobe Spark video so that you can see how the words can be delivered in a way that is far more convincing. It will also give you good practice as well. So let's have a little look at the Writing for Change. You'll find that there are the challenges. You'll see that the challenges can be reached by hitting that button. Dom has a video here for you which gives you an example of how it can be done. We're going to be uploading them to Wakelet, which will actually curate the information for us. It's free, but it gives us a chance to keep a collection of our work together. And once you've written your work, we'll then upload it. The first challenge you can have a look at is to answer the question, should we have to wear bicycle helmets? You'll see there are buttons to view the full challenge, but also to upload. Should we or could we end plastic production entirely? How can drivers be convinced to use public transportation? And think about the environmental benefits as well as the personal benefits that could come from that. Should we be producing more renewable energy or reducing our overall consumption? Junk food, healthy food. Which way should we go? Can veganism change the world? Should there be monarchies? Oops. Should international flights be banned? And let's face it, at the moment, there might be arguments for that and against it. But keep in mind, when you think about going to different countries, the culture that we're going to visit often is no longer evident because of tourism, it's become very globalized. Should homework be replaced by acts of kindness that are recorded and curated? Should smoking be advertised on social media? And there is this tutorial here on how to make a Spark page, but you've done this before and you've done it with me and I'm there with you, so you can very easily access that. Let's just have a little look at the full challenge for smoking, or rather the banning of smoking. Each of the challenges has a page, and this page is an opportunity for you to see how ideas are put together, and also for you to formulate your own ideas. Now, in this activity, you're going to be looking at using logos, pathos, and ethos specifically. So what do you think about smoking being advertised secretly? Should tobacco companies be allowed to advertise at all? When you think about the implications. And look again at the image. Using the images from Spark is very important. So let's just take you there so you can see the Grim Reaper. Oops, Daisy. You can see the Grim Reaper there on the end of a cigarette butt. Would you be in favour of raising the minimum sale age for tobacco products to age 21? And if you're a boss of a tobacco company with hundreds of thousands of employees working for you to support themselves and their families, what would you do? So you can see again how to put the Adobe Spark page together, but you're given a template, and I want you to use this template today as well. It asks you to look specifically at answering 4 questions. What do you think about smoking being advertised secretly via social media? Given that smoking is so dangerous to health, should tobacco companies be allowed to advertise at all? Would you be in favour of raising the minimum sale age for tobacco? And if you're the boss? So 50 words for each of those. But you need at the end to end with a very strong statement and a call to action, one way or the other.